Hello everybody, welcome back. It's experiment time and it's eBay that we're doing. So I've listed the same item, this item, three different ways on two different accounts. So let's go through what I've done, what was listed, how much it was going to cost the buyer, and which one, comments below, do you think sold first on eBay? So in all its glory, this one is up on eBay at the moment if you want to go and check it. It's the total cost to the buyer of £10.99 delivered postage. It's part of the business account and it's got some multi-buy and various other options with it. 3 photographs, and that one is active and live now. Again, this one is part of the business account and it's active and live now. It's got a headline price of $7.99 for the item. However, the postage isn't included in this one. It's got a picture that's been edited slightly with maybe a cat that's eaten too many of these Catkins treats, but the total cost to the buyer of this item to get them delivered is £11.99. Now, this one is listed on a private account and it's actually going to be quite an experiment because it's £11.76 delivered to the buyer. That includes the eBay buyer protection fee and it's going via simple delivery. Now, eBay have got simple delivery wrong for this one. They're saying that tub of cat treats, unless I squash it down and ruin it, is going to fit as a large letter. Now, eBay said that was recommended, and I have kept that in place because eBay will guarantee delivery of that item if I stay with their recommended setting, even though I know now, personally, that is not going to fit large letter, but Royal Mail will take it and they will deliver it because of some cloak and dagger mysterious agreement that they have with eBay. So I'm going to get $7.99 profit on that, and the total cost to the buyer is £11.76. So everybody in the comments below, leave what you think is going to sell first. They're actively running and I'm going to let you know in the next video, but please let me think which one's going to sell first, if any of them are going to sell at all, why you think they're going to sell first, and what do you think of the experiment. So stay tuned, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and there will be a video posting the results as soon as the first one sells. Thank you very much.